will be stored where? All of you make recording. Will be stored in object repository. Okay. Now, without having information in object repository, VB script will not execute. Without having any information in object repository. QTP will not work. Execute the script. So now one special programming is there in QTP that is called descriptive programming. This is just for your weightage of your resume only, it will be useful. Because all the time we are not going to use this descriptive programming, dear. Just it is weightage in your resume only. So this is one special programming language. It is one special programming language in QTP. What is the use of this? Means without any object repository information or without any object information. What do you mean by object information here?
Properties and values.
Very good.
The one.
It's a properties and values only. So it is one
Stored in
special.
object repository.
Yes. It is one special programming language, or which is one special programming provided by QTP. It is, or in this, without any object repository help, we can write the script and execute the script. We can write and we can execute the script. So what is descriptive programming means? Here entering or providing object information between the script lines is called descriptive programming. Or here object information means properties and values. Here properties and values provided directly into the script lines. Properties and values are provided directly into the script lines is called descriptive programming. So some companies, they are divided into two types. One is static and one is dynamic. But 90% of the companies not going to use any dynamic level. Only one level of scripting only. But I have given in notes two ways. My suggestion is that is another way is just for your knowledge sake only. Just have a look. But no need to practice. Nowhere useful. Only the programming which I am going to explain you, that is important. So let's see. To write the descriptive programming, we need object information as below. What is that information means? Real object you required. Logical name you required. Real object, logical name, property. Value, method. One object related, this much of information you required. Example, login. For this login, you require this information. Agent name is there. Again, for this, you require this information. Let's see. Let's see. Login. How to get this information? First, you collect the information, then how to use this in detail I will explain you. Okay, let's see. For this login, here, this is your application. You know about parent object and child object. So, in QTP, wonderful friend is there, that is called Object Spy. Go to Tools, Object Spy. Hand icon, click on Title. See, dialog is the logical name, login is the real object name, as you know. And take this login and search it into the value where it is login. Take this login, search it into value. See. Here I can see the login. And beside the login properties, something lengthy word reg, exp, wnd, title. Means regular expression window title. It's a lengthy word which is given. I don't want to use. Search it. Is there any easy word which is given? Search it. Yes, it is given. Property is text. Value is login. Logical name is dialog. Real object name is login again. So real object name is login. Logical name is dialog. Property is text. Again value is login. It is a title. For title, what is a method? Long back, means last class we discussed it. For title, method is activate. That's it. Now same thing, work with agent name. First you collect the objects. WinEdit is a logical name. Agent name is a real object. Take this agent name and search it in the value. Here I can see. Search it. Is there any other word? No, no other word. Only here. Properties attach a text. Value is agent name. WinEdit agent name. See. Here. WinEdit. Logical name is? No one is correcting me.
When real name is agent name.
Yeah. Properties attached text.
Attached text.
Value is?
Agent name.
Yeah. Method is set.
Set.
This is the collection of objects. Okay. Now let's see syntax. Same method only dear. It will not change anything. Here. Method 1, if you want to perform the task on parent object. Parent object name dot method. And syntax is logical name. Here. Property. Colon equals to value dot method. Here value of parent. Parent object. Same thing. Method 2, if you want to perform the task on child object. Parent object name dot child object name dot method. So here logical name, property, value of child. Just go through these 2 steps and let me know. So Properties and values within the script line we are providing, that is called descriptive programming. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me now. Esteem?
No, it's fine.
Sama, what about you? Fine.
Yes.
Having any doubts here?
No.
Fine. Now let's see how to write it. So here, dialog login. So dialog, open bracket, text colon equals to login dot activate. That's it. Again, agent name. Go to tools, object spy, hand icon, click on agent name. WinEdit agent name, attach its tag agent name. So dialog, text colon equals to login dot WinEdit attaches text colon equals to agent name dot set here Vidya. Anything you can give. Now WinEdit password, attach a text password again. So dialog login. Just for your knowledge sake, it is okay. But technically nowhere we are using this option, this programming language. Attach a text colon equals to password dot set Mercury. Now I want to click on close. OK button. So OK, search it. Is there any easy word you can see? 90% text will be given property. Here. Lengthy words also given, but easy word, yeah, text. Easy word you can capture. Dialog. Text colon equals to login dot win button. Here text colon equals to OK dot click. That's it. So this is called your descriptive programming. This is enough, dear. Just go through it how it is working. See,
It is a lengthy process.
Yeah, it is a lengthy process. Keep on, you need to collect the information.
Yeah.
If it is not sufficient, again you need to see is there any other information. It is a lengthy process. But knowledge sake, it's okay how to work on it. See, very quickly it will execute. Even though there is no object repository. See, there is no information in the object repository. Just observe here. This is your object repository. It's empty. There is no information. Even though it will work. Got it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
This is called your find here.
But we need to open application.
Yeah, that is very commonly thing, Nadir. If you don't want to open, you can give the syntax system util dot run.
Dot run.
Yes. Path. Just hit the run button. Now it will work. Opening the application is simple thing. Okay. This one more topic is completed. Now framework. Before going to this concept, let's have one example first. Here. Yeah. What do you understand between these two things here?
One is a star, plain star, and one is a star with a border.
Star with the border. Good. Good eye catch. This borders, we are calling it as a under frame. It is a finishalized work. It is non-finishalized work. It is one complete structured here. It is non-structured. So complete task you are maintaining in one frame. Complete project related tasks you are maintaining in one frame. So that we are calling it as a framework. Your picture is there. Your photo is there. You will fix it into one frame. Why? Because it is one complete one then. It is a finishalized work, secured finishalized work. So in the same way, here also, all our tasks we are maintaining in one work. That work is called framework. It is a generic work. Framework is a generic work or outline work, which is done by group of testers in the team to provide the to perform the task. In an effective way, to provide the quality project to client. It's called framework. So there are different types of frameworks are there. One is linear framework. Then modular or action framework. Then user defined framework or keyword driven framework. Data driven framework and hybrid framework. So there are different frameworks are there. In this, one of the framework is linear framework. This framework is the first generation framework. We are calling it as a first generation framework. In this, we are creating testers or we are creating test or scripts just by using record and playback. Playback means run. We are creating tests just by record and playback only. Working process. How we are doing. First, generate the script. Then, do the required enhancements. Then, execute the script. Then, analyze the result. Then, reporting. Analyze the result and reporting. Let's see how the process is going on. Let's see. First enhancement. All of you, I'm giving a task. Which concept is going to use it, you have to tell me now. One task is given to you. Yeah. This is one task. All of you read it and let me know what topic is going to use it. This is one task. Just go through it and let me know what you understand.
We're looking for the existence of the login application.
Yeah. For this, which point you have to use? Which concept you have to use?
Agent name, password, OK button.
That is the options, Nadir.
And then get their properties and values.
Get the properties and values.
First we will
the
record.
total duration of the script time.
You are all are reading the points here. Total duration of the script line. Which concept you have to use, that you are not telling me.
First we have to record the script lines. Then
Okay.
after that run it, run the application, and then define result window.
No. Not even
First we need
checkpoints
to
also.
open application.
Yeah, I will open the application. Then here.
And enter data.
Okay, then.
Click OK button.
Okay, then.
VB script generate automatically.
Okay, then.
Then we can run and see the result.
Before that task, verify the login application availability. For this, you need to use if-else statement. Get the text presented on 3 buttons. It is not the checkpoint, it is the output value. Text output value. Then here, database presented on the data which is stored. So, database output value you need to use. Calculate the total duration of the script lines. For this, measuring transaction. Result window, own result window. For this, reporter. Report event. Now you tell me. Recording, entering username, password, clicking on OK button. That's fine. But this concept, when you will do? In between that script line only, whatever you said, entering username, password, clicking on OK button, automatically script will be generated. That's fine. Between that script line, this enhancements you need to write. This is a task which is given to you. You have to write. Got it? Sakshi?
Yes.
Saima? Archana?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uma? Bhavana? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How to do? Let's see. Fine. How to do? Let's see. So generate the script. that is your point only. Just now you said, na, creating and all. Before generating the script, if else statement first we will do, then we will create the script. Open your QTP. Linear framework. Here. Project name. Login application. Sorry. Date on created. Today's date. Tester. Send it. Why it is coming under green color?
Because
The
we are
commenting.
using yeah,
Comments.
colon,
Because-
that's
Exactly.
Yes.
Simple word, because I am commenting. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now let's see actions. First I will see whether application is opened or not. Then I will generate the script once it is opened. If space dialog, already we learned, na, that I'm implementing. Login dot
Dialog
access.
login dot.
Very good. Go ahead, dear. Then
MSD box pass.
no. Actually, they asked to create our own result window, na. So we will go with a reporter event. Result window own. Display your
Okay.
display in user defined result window means reporter dot report event we need to use. MSG box is also okay, but this is the correct one as per this task. Now tell me, reporter dot report event space Microsoft pass mic pass comma double quote step name. Verify the login application. Here application is opened successfully. Now go with next step. Else reporter dot report event Microsoft failed comma same step. Verify the login application. Application is not opened. So exit from run. Exit run. If it is there, else part here. Else part means application is there. Now as you said, keep the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. I'm activating. I have entered username as Vidya, password as Mercury, and our checkpoints, output values. I went to insert output value, text output value. OK button I want. Click OK. Click OK. Here one output value. Then 3 buttons output value I want. Sorry. Go to insert output value, text output value. Click OK. Again go to insert output value, help button. Then go to insert database. Specify SQL statement manually. click on next. Give the machine data source. Write the query. Already we learned all those things. Select star from orders. Click on finish. So I'm selecting the options. Just example only. Some list of data which is stored on the database. I am collecting those data. Then click OK. After this, what is the next step? See, get the text 3 buttons, get the data which is stored on the database, calculate the total duration, result window. Here, stop recording. I want to open the application. Invoke application. So, system util. Dot run. Properties. Copy the target location and control V. And after this, here, continuity. Click on OK button and just I am checking the update order. I went to file, open order. Order number 50 I am checking. It is Sri Vidya. I close it. Stop recording. Example. Now total duration from which line? From this line onwards. Insert start transaction. Project name is login. That's it. And insert end transaction. Login. Start and end transaction is also done. Then your result window here. Reporter dot report event. Microsoft done. Flight application. Task is completed. That's it. So here, let's see how it is working. Hit the run button. While executing, you won't understand anything, but in the result window you will get to know. This is called first generation framework. Just by using record and playback, we are working on it. Transaction started at this time. I have verified the application is opened successfully. Go with the next step. And all the steps, output values I have captured. Finally, application task is completed and it is a pass. Total duration is this. And your data is stored in the runtime data table. Output values got saved in the runtime data table. So this is called actual process of linear framework. Okay, so if you want, just for your understandable purpose, this I will copy and I will make it here. But don't think that it is lengthy point. Just try to practice this one. Okay, only for your knowledge sake I have given here, but don't think that something else it is written, you are getting confusion. And one more thing, what happened if application is not opened? See, I'm commenting system.util.run. Hit the run button. What happened? Automatically it will come out of the execution process if application is not there.
Then it will fail, right?
No. See the result window. Okay. In result window, application is failed to open. It will say.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. See. Go to view, expand all. Verify application. Application is not opened, so exit from the run. Yes, it is failed. Got it?
Yes.
Fine. So this is called first generation framework.
Vidya, I have one question. Like we get this task and we did. Now how to save this and send it to the test lead or whomsoever?
So you're not you're gonna save the result window only, this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the failed result example. Go to view, expand all, export all, report it. It will be saved into your desktop. Example. You have saved here. Output, where is that folder? Yeah, here. This file you are sending. This file you are sending. Got it? Attaching this file.
Okay.
It can be stored in the Word file. And in test data which you saved,
Mm-hmm.
that will be stored in the Excel sheet like this. OK is a text output, cancel is a text output.
Okay, so only 2 files we have to send.
Yeah.
Okay.
If needed, 2 files.
And if we have to continue with our work next day, then how to open again? Like if we did the half thing today and next day we have to continue with the same thing. Oh, save as.
Save as.
Okay.
Okay, save it in one location. Next day, if you want to open, go to file, open test. That's it. Open the test.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem here. Fine. Now modular framework or a actions framework. So module in manual, module means group of related functionalities to perform major task. So module is equal. Module in QTP module means action. What is action means set of script statements. Use it to perform a specific task. So by default action 1 will be given in QTP. See. This is a set of script statements. This is a set of script statements. By default, action 1 is given in QTP. See, this is the action 1. Or let's see. Let's see. This is your application. You keep the tool under recording. So you have activated. You have entered username as Vidya. Team, today I am leaving 10 minutes early. If you're having any doubts, before only please ask me. Mercury, click OK. Stop recording. This is the set of script statements. And by default, action 1 is created. Okay. So let's see. There are different types of actions are there. One is non-reusable action. Then reusable action. Then external action. Non-reusable, reusable and external. An action which is created and we can't call this action. Which is created once and we can call this action multiple times. Reusable action can be called in another action. It's called external action. Very important note, in QTP, calling the file is different and open the file is different. Practically we will discuss on tomorrow. Before that, having any doubts in previous points and something, previous concepts, having any doubts?
The first point, linear framework.
Mm-hmm.
Please just scroll down.
Down or up?
Up, sorry. Yeah, this linear application. This is like this just simple how we create script lines in our QTP. This is that framework, right?
Yes, first generation framework.
Only simple like how we create the
Just
script
by
lines.
using
That's it.
record and playback. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Actually, I was like, in other also these are also frameworks, so that's why I got confused. Okay.
No. In coming days, coming steps, you will get more tough. Means it is just using record and playback.
Yes.
See dear, different companies will follow different ways. I'm using very easy method. See, in mathematical also, formulas differently they will write, but final result will be the same, right?
Yes.
Someone will write 100 lines of formula, someone will write 50, someone will write 20 only. So easy way I'm telling you.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine dear. Yeah. Uma, having any doubts in previous class?
No, I'm getting it now.
Okay, good. Fine.
Ma'am, you
So,
sent me email of calculator test cases. So is it good now or need changes?
actually, it's okay, it's good now. But by mistake another file I sent to you. I don't know. I got confused over there. Updated one I'll send to you. Don't use the previous one.
Okay.
I already just now I send a link. Please ignore that email. Okay.
Okay.
By mistake I released the another one. I will send you now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, team. Today I'm having some personal work, so I'm leaving early. So tomorrow continuation class we can see. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Good
Bye.
night.
Okay, bye.
Bye, team. Yeah. Bye bye.